Hi there, welcome to another episode of ABC Useful Tips, and in this video we'll show you step by step how do you create a simple self-directed learning quiz assignment, alright, that contains a quiz that is self-marking. Alright, so let's take a look at this. Is the assignment that you will be creating, a simple one that has instruction and then this attachment of a quiz that has video in it and simple questions that will self-mark. I'm really glad to be showing you 8 very wonderful great tips in this whole video all the way to the end. So stay right tuned to the end so that you can create the entire experience of a great quiz assignment for your student. Alright, so if you like this video and future videos that will be coming up, and please click subscribe at the bottom, click the bell so that you'll be notified firsthand. Alright, and or you can click on the line on top. Alright, let's dive right in. Setting up a Google Classroom quiz assignment. Alright, in this case we're going to demonstrate a quiz assignment that has video and also some self-marking questions, okay, in the quiz itself. So we're going to get ready beforehand. The video in this case is a YouTube video that we have selected, and therefore the YouTube link is important, and also the set of questions that you want to add into the quiz. Next, to start setting up the quiz assignment in your Google Classroom, go to Classwork. Alright, on top you will see this create button here with the plus sign. Click on that. Alright, and because we are looking at creating a quiz assignment, and this third option here, or the second option if you do not have Kami, alright, is quiz assignment that we want. Click on it. Alright, it will be an assignment that has a quiz that is a blank quiz that is attached to it. Alright, so we're going to show you also that if you are a G Suite Enterprise for Education account, alright, you will have this function that is grade importing function too. Alright, that once the students have finished the assignment, alright, there's click submit, you can actually directly import their grades into Google Classroom. Right, we're going to show you that. In order for that to work, the only attachment that you can have here is the quiz itself, the form. Okay, so the next thing is to add the title to the assignment. Okay, click on the title panel here, alright, and then you can type in the title according to the topic that you want, and I already have the title here. Okay, and this is the demonstration of setting up a quiz assignment. The title for the assignment is Self-Learning Quiz, Same Sound Words. Okay, so the next thing is to go into the quiz itself, the blank quiz, to set up all the video for the students to do self-learning, and also the questions for them to answer. So what we need to do is just to click on the blank quiz. In this blank quiz, because it's set up and directly in Google Classroom with the quiz function, you will see this on the top right hand corner, total points, meaning this Google form is actually in a quiz format already. Okay, so the first thing to do is to change the title of the quiz form. Okay, I already the title with me. Okay, self-learning quiz, same sound words. We also need to change the file of the quiz. Okay, the file name of the quiz. Alright, by going to this top left hand corner where the file name is, alright, highlight it and then change it to the same title. Next, as this assignment is for self-learning of certain English words that are of the same sound, alright, from the video itself, so I'm going to copy this video link, alright, highlight and then Control C, and back here in the form or the quiz, okay, we will have the video embedded. Alright, so how do we do that? Okay, so we will have that right on top. Okay, and then what we'll do is come over here, and then you will see this add video. Okay, on the right hand side, click on that. Okay, you can actually do by video search or URL. In this case, we are a YouTube video. We just have to right click and paste the video link. click on search and make sure that it's the correct video, and double click on the video if it's correct, and it will be added into your file. Okay, so you can actually expand the size of the video so that it's easier for the student to see, alright, more visible. Okay, and then of course you may want to have some title to the video. In this case, will be the same word, same sound words. Alright, cool. So we have the video already in here. Okay, of course we would like the students to indicate their names as well. So if you want the name to be put on top of the video, we just have to click the title, alright, and the question or any panel right on top of the video. Okay, come over here and then you will see this add question. Okay, click on that add function. Okay, and then you type in name. By default, a new question added, it will be in multiple choice format. But once you type name, it will automatically change to a short answer format. Alright, and please take note, okay, every question or every plus sign that you add, right, it will be a question that has a point given to it. But of course, name, you wouldn't have a point, okay, or mark in this case. So you just have to click on answer key, change the point on the top right hand corner of this question to 0 by clicking a down button. Okay, right, or you can just change it to highlighting the number and change it to 0 by clicking a 0. Okay, then done. Okay, so this is a name. Alright, of course you may also want to add in other information that has no marks to it, like for example class. Cool. Alright, so what I've just done is to click this item here, this picture here called duplicate, and then the same format without the marks will be given to the second question here, alright, which is a class. So I'm going to next add in all the questions that I prepared, alright, right at the bottom here. Okay, so I'm going to show you next. Easy way is to go to the file you prepared with the questions, highlight one question, okay, right click, copy, okay, go back to the quiz, highlight the blank question here, okay, right click and paste. Question is pasted. I'm going to show you the magic of the options. Okay, go back to the question, right? This time you can highlight both options, right? Shortcut, Control C, right? Go back to the quiz, okay, and then highlight the option 1 here and Control V. Voila! Both options will be pasted at the same time. Okay, cool. So next is to show you how you can actually indicate the correct answer for self-marking. Okay, at the bottom here, answer key, okay, click on answer, alright, and then the correct answer, you just have to click on it. So in this case, she feels weak after going hungry, which is the second answer. Click on it, okay, until it turns green with a tick at the right side, meaning this is the correct answer for marking. Okay, however, you want to give a mark to it, and then you will see and double check that there's a point given to it. Okay, so in this case, I can highlight the mark and then type 1. Okay, or alternatively use the button here, alright, up or down button to the correct number. Once it's confirmed the answer is correct and the mark is correct, I click done. This question is done. Okay, next thing I'm going to highlight to you is this required. Okay, if there is this gray, this required is actually on the left side with the gray color, meaning this is not required, meaning the student can submit without answering this question. Okay, but I want to make it compulsory, so I click required. Alright, so once it's required, let's say for example I click off, okay, and then come back to the question. Alright, you will see a star here on the right side. This shows that it is required. Alright, so I'm going to add in the rest of the questions. Cool. So there are two ways you can add in more questions. Number one, the same way you add in by clicking the plus. I'm going to show you this. Okay, same way, click plus, go back to the question, bank, highlight, Control C, come back, click on the question, Control V, question pasted, go back there, click, highlight, copy the options, come back here. Alright, highlight the option, right click, paste. Both options are done. Okay, next, answer key, the view at the peak of the mountain, this is the answer, and then the mark is correct, and that is the way to go. Okay, so I'm going to show you that you can actually shift the answers around. Alright, So click done. Once you have confirmed the mark and the correct answer, click done. You will see that down here, okay, you can actually shift the order of the answer by going to the point here, or the option. You will see a 9 dot at the left side. Alright, click on the 9 dot, you can just drag it and change the order. Cool. So I'm going to show you the last method of creating another question. Okay, that is by duplicating this particular question. Okay, click on this duplicate. Alright, the same question will be duplicated. Alright, the functions of the 1 point and then compulsory required will be there. That's the shortcut. Okay, so I'm going to copy the last one. Copy the last question. Come back here. Alright, to highlight the question, okay, and then Control V, paste over the previous question. So this time around, I'm going to copy all my options, 3 options. Control C and come back here. Okay, I can only highlight one option at each time. Okay, when I Control V and paste it on, I will have all my options down. Just that I have one more question here. Okay, this is purposeful so that I can show you how you can delete an option. Or if this option is what you do not want to delete it, very simple. You just have to go to the right side and see this cross. Click it, click the cross, and that option will be gone. Alright, so I'm left with the 3 options that I want, but I must make sure that the correct answer is correct. Okay, so the question is the ship set sail. This is not the correct answer. Therefore, I will have to change it by clicking answer key. Okay, click sail here. Both will be highlighted. Both can be accepted as answer in this case. So I can only accept the second one. Therefore, I'm going to click off the first. Alright, so this is correct and I'm done. Alright, so I've confirm that this is compulsory too, having this turn into purple. Okay, so all questions are in, videos in, class, name, title, all done. Back here at the Google Classroom, okay, the question is still not ready. Okay, however, the quiz is already confirmed. You can see at the quiz here, okay, down here is stated here all changes saved in Drive. That means whatever has been done has been confirmed and saved. Last thing to do is to set the points, the total number of points, okay, that to be the same and tally with the quiz, which is 3 points here. Alright, I'm going to set also the topic, create, or I've already created the topic here. Okay, I've created the topic assignment, so I'm going to use that assignment. Alright, so this question is done. You just have to put in the instructions. Alright, type in all the instructions for the students to click on the file, watch the video, complete the questions and turn in. Alright, confirming the questions and the instructions and that the queue and the quiz is already with the final copy, okay, with the same title here. Alright, this finally is to set the due date. Alright, so maybe I'll set the next week as the due date. Cool. And once it's done, alright, I will just click assign. Okay, confirming the assignment. In the stream, alright, in the Google Classroom, you will find the assignment being at the top of the list. Okay. And so the assignment is confirmed, ready, assigned to the class. Alright. If you like this video and you would like to be first to be notified of future video, alright, please click subscribe at the bottom and then give me a thumbs up, alright, and